Look what we have here. The Losi 5T. Let's go ahead and drop this box. Big ass Bizox. Open it. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Yeah, finally made it to the cribbo. Installing the transmitter receiver servo battery, the Reaction 2 5200 milliamp. Battery costs almost 70 bucks from the hobby shop. Have the gas mixture and gonna get it ready, get outside to go through the break-in cycle. Let's do this. All right, folks, we got the 5T 2.0 outside. Getting ready to throw some fuel in here, prime it, and break the motor in. So I went ahead and set up the servo to my DX C5 remote. Set up both servos, the trims and all that. Had to adjust the linkage on the steering servo. So I'm gonna put some fuel in here and see if I can get it to rip. Let's do this. Finally got it started. Yeah. Break-in period on the way. We'll see how this goes. Full throttle.
Needs its own garage space.
It's loud as hell.
Hell yeah, it is. Watch the toes now. Watch the mother onion toes.
Yeah, this shit loud.